In this video, I'm not just giving you 5 remote night jobs. I am right now. I'm showing you the exact technical setup you need to stay online. Alright, so guys, now the zero cost certifications to pass their assessments, how to receive your funds globally, and the red flags to avoid so you never get scammed. So why everyone else is telling you to just apply on job boards, and they actually leave out the most critical part, how to actually pass the test, survive the night shift, or get paid directly to your local bank account without losing money to conversion fees. I'm sure most of you are well familiar with what I'm actually saying. So every single platform on this list is 100% free to join, no registration fees, no hidden paywalls. So guys, let's jump straight into job number one. Job number one is a content moderator and community agent at ModSquad. So guys, now this is simply amazing. So ModSquad handles digital engagement, trust and safety, and live chat for major global brands, gaming platforms, and e-commerce apps. Because their clients operate globally, they run 24/7 operations, meaning they are constantly looking for night shift contractors. So now guys, your main task is to monitor live social feeds, respond to customer inquiries using pre-approved templates, and flag policy violating content. So it is very important I talk about the pay right here on this platform. So now guys, now they actually pay typically 15 USD per hour depending on project complexity. All right, so you have to take note of that. And of course guys, before you apply, I want you to take note of this. You can head over to typingtest.com to grab a free 1 minute typing speed certificate. You simply want to aim for 50 plus WPM. All right, and after that you can also head to HubSpot and take the free HubSpot customer service certification. All right, so adding this to your CV gives you an instant edge during onboarding. So guys, this is very important, and with this you have a high probability of getting accepted. Number two is a search engine and data evaluator at Telus International. So guys, Telus operates worldwide and hires remote workers across Africa, Asia, Europe, and the Americas to evaluate search queries, AI voice responses, and localization data. So guys, now the reason this is perfect for night shift is that you simply set up your own schedule. You can log in at 10 p.m. or 2 a.m. and complete your task quota. So now I'll also talk about the pay right here. Now they pay between 12 to 25 USD per hour, which is simply amazing. All right, now to actually qualify guys, you don't need a tech degree. However, you will need to pass an open book guideline assessment. So this is very important. Or audit the free Google data analytics course on Coursera, or complete Google Data Garage to build basic data literacy before taking their test. So you can also take note of this guys, it is very important. So guys, I'm actually taking my time to actually talk about this. This is the second job and the second website. Now we are going to head to the third job. Number 3 is an overnight virtual assistant sourced directly via We Work Remotely, or you can simply go to remote.co. Right in this video, we're going to focus on weworkremotely.com. So guys, US and European executives hire night shift virtual assistant to actually manage their calendar scheduling, organize incoming emails, perform market research, and process data entry while their primary team is offline. So now let me talk about the pay. They pay between 15 to 35 USD per hour. And guys, you can also take free certification by going to Google Workspace and Doc Tools tutorials on Google Skillshop or Coursera, showing that you know how to simply manage Google Sheets, Docs, and Calendar professionally. Makes your application stand out from hundreds of generic applicants. So you can take course on Coursera or on Google Skillshop to actually prepare ahead for this. All right, this is a third job right here: overnight virtual assistant at we work remotely. You can also go to remote.co to actually get started. So guys, for job number 4, we are going to find it right here on the Mindrift. So you can search for AI writer and nice tutor right here on the Mindrift. So if you have a stronger critical thinking and writing skills, Mindrift hires AI tutors to review, edit, and fact-check chatbot responses. Since AI training models are hosted on cloud platforms, you can work your hours completely at night. And for the pay, they pay between 15 to 30 USD per hour. So, and guys, you can also practice basic prompt engineering. So you want to learn to spot AI hallucinations, where the chatbot gives confident but false information. So you pass their initial screening writing tests with ease. So guys, now this is the fourth one right here. So now before we jump to the last one on our list, I want you to like, subscribe, and also share this video with a friend out there. So guys, please, I also want you to comment logic in the comment section to show that you are with me. All right, so guys, thanks for actually doing that. Job number 5 is Appen. Job number 5, you can actually find it on the Appen LLM Evaluator. So guys, now Appen is one of the largest remote data collection companies on the planet. They run multi-month projects evaluating social media ads, search results, and large language model accuracy. And now guys, for the pay, they pay between 10 to 20 USD per hour. And of course guys, they are flexible, and this is perfect for anyone balancing a 9 to 5 day job, because you can complete your project hours overnight on your laptop. So guys, this is simply amazing. Another thing I'll be talking about is the technical setup, the payouts, and the scam warning. So guys, I want you to take note of this. So guys, now let's talk about the part most YouTube videos ignore: the technical setup you need to know. Of course guys, night shifts require stability. So now if you're working night shifts, you need internet speed. So you want to ensure you have a minimum of 15 to 20 Mbps download speed, and also you need power backup. All right, so e.g. power banks. If you are working from a location with unstable power, you simply want to invest in a mini router, UPS, or portable power station, so you never get lots of mid-shift. You want to take note of that. It is very important. So another one is how to get paid globally. So guys, most international companies pay via PayPal, Payout, or direct wire transfer. So if PayPal is restricted in your region, you simply want to set up a Payout account or use virtual dollar accounts to receive your funds seamlessly, all right, and convert them to your local currency. Now let me talk about the red flags and scam warnings, all right, so you can actually stay safe. So I'll be listing 2 rules. All right, rule number 1: a real employer will never ask you to pay an application fee, training fee, or pay for equipment upfront via a personal check. So you want to take note of that. And rule number 2: always verify the recruiter's email domain on LinkedIn before sending your private documents. Real companies do not hire via Telegram or WhatsApp or random groups. So you want to take note of that. And of course, please don't just watch this video and bookmark it for later. Pick one job on the list today, complete the free preparation material, set up your profile, and simply apply. I have placed the direct 100% free application links to all 5 platforms in the description box below. If you want my step-by-step guides on leveraging AI tools to automate your workflows, grab the link in the pinned comment. All right, so guys, hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and let's keep building. So guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you right in the next one.